everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial piece of equipment for anyone relying on their Datamax E-4205A label printer, the GIZMAC AC-DC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's specifically designed to keep your Datamax E-4205A, model EA2000H000A00 R22552367, running smoothly and efficiently, whether you're in the office or on the go. One of the standout features of this GIZMAC adapter is its versatility, as both an AC-DC power supply and a battery charger. This means you're not just powering your printer directly from an outlet, you're also ensuring your printer's battery is always topped up and ready for action. For professionals who need their label printer to be operational at all times, this dual functionality is an absolute game changer, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. The travel special feature is another huge plus. Its compact design and robust build make it an ideal companion for those who frequently move their Datamax printer between locations. You can simply pack it up, knowing you have a reliable power source wherever your work takes you. This isn't just about convenience. It's about maintaining consistent performance and avoiding the frustration of incompatible or unreliable power solutions when you're away from your primary workspace. With an input voltage of 240 volts, this adapter demonstrates a strong capability for various power environments, suggesting it's built to handle different electrical standards, which is particularly beneficial for international users or those in regions with higher voltage grids. This broad compatibility adds another layer of reliability, ensuring you're powered up no matter where you are. The wall mount design is a thoughtful addition, allowing for a neat and organized setup. You can keep your workspace clutter-free by simply plugging it into an outlet and letting it hang securely. This small detail contributes significantly to a more professional and efficient environment, preventing tangled cords and accidental disconnections. In essence, the GIZMAC AC-DC adapter for the Datamax E-4205A is more than just a replacement power cord. It's a comprehensive power solution that offers reliability, portability, and efficient charging capabilities. It ensures your Datamax label printer is always powered, always charged, and always ready to tackle your labeling tasks, making it an indispensable accessory for any serious user of the Datamax E-4205A. Its robust construction and specialized design mean you can trust it to deliver consistent power, protecting your valuable printer and keeping your operations running without a hitch.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.